Well, I'm doing a quick little video here. I just got home a few minutes ago with this 3/8" steel sheet. It's a remnant from a job that this one business, this metal fabrication shop did. And I got this bad boy for $450, which is basically roughly about 70% off what the going is right now. I was gonna buy a I was gonna buy a sheet from Pacific Steel, and that was gonna cost $1,250 plus tax. And I got this thing for $450 and no tax. So what's that, about a $900 difference? When you include the tax, because it's probably about $100 in tax. So yeah, major score. I'm poor right now because I've had to spend so much money on the things I bought so far for the Humvee. Not just with the $1,500 or $1,600 or whatever it was I spent on the 3 aluminum sheets, but then also the missing parts. Which, if you guys have seen my other videos, I was aware of a lot of the parts that were missing, but GovPlanet and their douchebaggery, well, they have some of their inspectors, they literally take pictures at angles to hide things. And yes, I did get money back from them because of it, but I probably got about a third of what I would have gotten if I would have taken them to court. And that's just a matter of, it's like, well, either I can get X amount of dollars right now, or I can wait 6 months, 9 months, or a year and get 3 times more. Well, you know what? I'm done with the days of long ago when I was in my 20s and stuff, where you're just working on a project forever. And I'm not doing that. Like this whole thing, I figure it'd probably take about 3 months or so to do it. And yeah, well, the end of this month, it'll be actually the first week into next month, it'll be 3 months. So yeah, it would be actually 3 months to complete it. But the only thing that holds me back is the money, because I had to spend a few extra $1,000s on parts that I did not know were missing. So, it's bullshit, but the Humvee is in amazing shape. The engine hardly has any blow-by at all. All 4 tires are all the way brand new, including the little whatever little thingies on them are. I forget what those darn things are called. But yeah, so all in all, actually, honestly, they offered, when the whole thing happened with all the extra missing parts, they offered to just give me all my money back and take the vehicle back. But I was like, well, no, let's not go that route. But yeah, so in my previous video that I made yesterday, there's a little bit of an Easter egg in that, and I forgot to put that on the description. It's something that I have not made any mention of yet. There was no unboxing videos for it yet. None of that stuff. So anyways, yeah, now that I got this sheet, I can continue, because I can't do any of the interior stuff on the vehicle, like with all the electronics, until I get the doors and have it secured. So that's kind of what I was getting at a minute ago about I'm low on money now because of the extra money I had to spend on missing parts that I wasn't aware of ahead of time. And that's kind of really screwed everything up, because I had enough to buy everything I needed when I needed it. But now I kind of don't. So, I'm trying to sell my big top kick, because I was going to sell that anyways once the Humvee's done. But once I sell that, then I'll have plenty of money and it won't be an issue but now things are, they kind of have been slowing down a little bit the last couple weeks, which hurts my timeline. But you know, what are you gonna do? Sometimes things pop up, and it is what it is. So, but you know what? I'm super happy with how everything's coming out, and it's going to be pretty awesome when it's all done. So there's that.